Hi everyone, this is Ate Ma'am, and quick update on the project that we will be doing. I already contacted an orphanage and they sent a letter of agreement wherein dun kami nagplano kung anong date gagawin yung outreach program. And they also sent a list of the things that they need for the kids. So main priority nila is ano bang nandito? Their main priority is the milk, which is yung Nan, Pediasure, and Bonakid for 6 to 12 months, 1 to 3 years old, and 3 and above. And also, they need rice and distilled water and yung mga food like frozen meats and ano pa ba yun? Mga frozen meats. Tsaka ano pa ba? Mga hygiene products. As of the moment, I already bought some of the milk, which is yung Nan, Pediasure. No, Nan and Bonakit. Because the Pediasure is so expensive. We need to like, ano pa, we need to save up for that. And then I also have the nasabi rin ng orphanage na merong 29 kids na makakasali sa party. And then meron pang additional 8 ba yun? 8, 7 na mga toddlers which are 1 to 2 years old na hindi makakasali because they are very small pa. Pero bibigyan din natin sila ng food pack. So mga 40 siguro pala yung i-prepare na food packs for them. And I have a friend, si Anna, which owns a catering services. So we will be asking her to prepare 40 food packs for the children. Ayun. So, as of the moment, we already have the milk, some of the milk, and yung food packs. Actually, ang amazing nga ni God kasi meron akong nakuha na one-time payment na bonus last June 30. And then, it costs mga 8,000, which is sakto siya dun sa food packs. So, meron na rin tayong for the food packs ng children, which is 40 pieces. And then, hintay lang ulit ako ng undersweldo for the other expenses. But ayun, yun ang ating update. Meron na po tayong food packs. Meron na rin tayong some of the milk. And may kulang pa tayong milk for 1 to 3 years old. And yung bigas at saka yung mga water and mga hygienic products. Also, yun, si Ana yung tumulong sa akin for the food packs. And also, one of my friends, si Yani, she donated, meron kasing party doon. So, nilagay ko rin doon sa Excel ko na I would need like mga biscuits and yung mga juice. So, yun yung parang iluluto bag natin na ibibigay sa kanila. And then, my friends also, Edel and Glaze, reached out na tutulong daw sila for the packing and pag kasama daw sila doon sa orphanage. So, so excited about that. And then we will be talking also to the kids about different stuff because Adele is a speaker. So she talks about confidence. And I think that would be really good for the kids. Glaze is one of my friends who is very passionate with her career. So I think she will be good at that. And then I will be talking about God and faith. So ayun. Yun ang ating update as of the moment. And gaganapin natin siya by the end of the month. So we are really excited and yan. Thanks to the God. Hi guys, sorry for the hair but I want to update na dumating na yung mga in-order natin na milk at saka yung toys. So, onti na lang. I will show you. Wait. Tadaan! Ginito ko na kasi nakikita yung address ko but ayun, meron tayo 3 plus tsaka itong Filiasure 3 plus din at saka itong Nana 6 to 12 months. Wala pa tayo nung 1 to 3 years old. Ito, mga toys. So, 30 to. Meron dito. Cute lang. Kasi, punch pa naman. Pero okay lang, it's okay. So, 30 kids. Okay rin po lahat. Okay. Toys, toys. And ito, yung bigay ni Hannah. May mga bread cake, eggnogs, 30 pieces. Tapos dito ko siya ilalagay. Diba, ang cute ng loot bag ko. Diba? Perfect. So, ayun. Thank you. Thank you, Yani, for sponsoring the snacks. Ayun. Thanks be to God kasi slowly nakikita ko na nandito na yung mga gamit na ibibigay. And sana makumpleto ko to. Hopefully, with the help of God. Tsaka, ano bang magandang mga ipalaro sa mga bata? Yung hindi masyadong, siguro wala nang props, tsaka hindi masyadong complicated. At tsaka, if you are there, ano bang magandang i-talk sa mga bata na hindi masyadong complicated and about Christ? What do you think should be the topics na I will open to them or share to them? You have any suggestions? You can comment or chat. Ayun lang. Thank you everyone. Bye.